Understanding promotional email, simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and common phrase in English, promotional email. Whether you're checking your inbox or managing your business communications, understanding this term is key. Let's dive in and make sense of it together. A promotional email is a type of electronic mail, email, primarily used for marketing purposes. It's sent by businesses or organizations to inform potential or existing customers about their products, services, or special offers. Unlike personal emails, these are not for casual conversations but for promoting something. Promotional emails have some distinct features. Purpose: they aim to advertise or sell something. Content: these emails often include special deals, new product announcements, or invitations to events. Appearance: they're usually well designed, with attractive images and a professional layout. Frequency: businesses send them regularly, but not too often, to avoid spamming their customers. Understanding promotional emails is essential for several reasons. For consumers, it helps you identify offers and make informed purchasing decisions. For businesses, it's a cost-effective way to reach a large audience and boost sales. For language learning, it exposes you to modern, business-related English, useful for real-life communication. Here's how to manage promotional emails effectively. Subscribe wisely. Only sign up for emails from trusted sources. Organize your inbox. Use folders or labels to keep promotional emails separate from personal ones. Be aware of spam. Not all promotional emails are legitimate. Be cautious and avoid sharing personal information. That's all on promotional email. We hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate your inbox more confidently. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and prepares you for real-world interactions. See you in the next video.